How to remove mobile number from Snapchat. So if you want to remove your mobile number from your Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Now once you've opened, let me tell you one thing, that you won't have an option to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account. There isn't a particular option. So what you need to do is just simply go and log out of your account which you're using right now. And once you've logged out, then you need to go with sign up, which is on the bottom left. So go with sign up and then go with continue and create a new account. Enter your first and last name, go with continue, enter your date of birth, and after that go with your username, set a password, and it will ask you for the phone number, right? So once it asks you for the phone number, you need to enter the phone number that you would like to remove from your old account. So once you enter the phone number right here, then it will set that phone number to this particular account that you've created right now, and it will remove the phone number from your old account. So that's the only way to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.